Welcome to the Bead Flora book bead along. We are making this wild summer flowers arrangement, and this is lesson 4 for the Brown Eyed Susan project. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. On this channel, I offer technique reference guides, tip videos, and free French beaded flower tutorials, just like this one if you are new here and would like to start making bead and wire flowers. Check out the Bead Along playlist. You don't need to buy the book to make this project because I will release the full pattern. The book is also part of the Kindle Unlimited program, so if you'd like to check it out, you can get a 30-day free trial. I also put together a bead kit with all the materials you need to make this arrangement. Materials and links will be in the description. For today's lesson, we're assembling the Brown Eyed Susans. Now we are ready to assemble the flower. So take the bud and insert that into the hole of the petals. And let's twist this here at the base just a little bit so that it's secure. Now take a length of 16 gauge stem wire and insert that into the flower here. You can stick it in there right inside the center so that it is inside the center here. And by doing so, it helps stabilize the flower here so that it doesn't flap around. So let's wrap that in with floral tape. Now insert the stem into the calyx. And again, let's wrap this in with floral tape. And I do want to add a couple of leaves here. I could have done that as I was wrapping the wires in. So I have 2 of leaves A right here. So here I have 3 stems assembled, the one I just assembled with 2 of leaves A, and then I also did 2 stems with 1 of leaf B. Next, I'm going to take some embroidery floss and floss the stem down about 5 inches. I have 5 inches of the stem floss with embroidery floss, and I cut the floss off. I'm going to make a knot here. And wrap this with floral tape. Now I have all 3 of the stems flossed down about 5 inches, and now let's put all 3 of the stems together. So I'm going to line them up where the floss ends. And then wrap them in with floral tape. And I'm going to add in a leaf right here. I'm going to cut this here so that the wires are flush. Now I'm going to take embroidery floss and continue flossing down the stem. I'm going to hook the floss right here in between the top stems here, and then just wrap it around. I floss down about 3 inches right here and then cut the floss off. I'm going to make a knot and wrap the knot in with floral tape. And then wrap the knot in with floral tape. Yay! You've made it through the first project in this bead along. I'll give you another week to work on this before I upload the second project. I'll upload a fun video next week. And if you haven't already, join me in the French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to show off your flowers. Email me pictures of your flowers and I may feature it in a future video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.